And you are still here with us live at the very first day of the Manila International Auto Show 2026.
Grabe, alam mo, Kent, ito lang masasabi ko sa Misa. Very star-studded ang ating show.
Correct.
And lahat ng mga nakakasama natin talaga namang ibang level.
Yes. Earlier, just kakatapos ng kanina lang na nakabangga yung si Rocco na sino?
Oo, nakabanggaan pa lang naman si Sir Rocco, no?
This is how star-studded the Manila International Auto Show is. And of course, we have here right now our friends from another industry.
Yes, from the Camping with the Chefs.
From Camping with the Chefs.
And
Kaya
then-
naman, chefs, please introduce
Yeah,
yourselves.
introduce yourselves, guys.
Hi guys, I'm Mark, Chef Mark, from one of the members ng Camping with the Chefs.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef G, one of the members of Camping at the Chef as well.
And I'm Chef Chris, or Chef Copper of Camping with the Chefs. And we would like to invite you to Camping with the Chefs Season 6 to be held in Palaya Natural Farms in Tanay this May 2 and 3.
Yes. And we are sure that you will have fun. You know, it's going to be a lot of cooking experience, outdoor experience with the family, bonding with your friends, and also our campers.
So guys, again, we are inviting you from May 1 to 3 in Palaya Farm in Tanay Rizal. So guys, see you. Mag-enjoy ang lahat, family, bata, lahat.
You know what, Kent? I've joined one of their camping, no? And hindi lang siya related to, syempre kaya sila nandito kasi camping pa rin naman.
Correct.
And makabagong camping tayo lately, ha? You need to have your camper truck, you need to have your 4x4, you need to have your truck, yun, ganun na siya.
Correct. And at saka, it's the very first time we hear that you are going to camping with the chefs.
Oo.
Parang it's like a new idea, no? Parang it's like a glamping also, na parang
Oo.
you are camping but with a glam.
So, talungin natin sila, ano ba ang mga sasakyan na ginagamit nila?
Correct.
Oo, like ano yung mga ginagamit nyo ng friends nyo, ganyan.
Yes.
Well, ako minsan passenger princess lang ako kay Tatay Chups. Kundi naman, dala ko yung L3.
So guys, I have a pickup truck, a Nissan, which is a 4x2 lang. Pero medyo na-set up na rin for overlanding para at least, di ba, mas comfortable pag nag-camp and may shades and everything. Lahat pwede kang magluto.
Ayun, overlanding yung isang tawag nila.
Yes.
Alam mo, perfect talaga ang mga camping-camping lately. Ewan ko, ba't nauso yung mga ganyan, no? Yung mga nature trip. Uso sa Philippines ang nature trip. So, meron silang camping with the chef ulit this April.
It's going to be May 2 and 3 at the
May
Palaya
1 to 3.
Natural Farm, Tanay Rizal. So come join us, Camping with the Chef. This is going to be Season 6.
Yon! Season 6 pasabog sila, Ken.
Tinalo po nilang Starstruck sa kanilang pa season 6. Yes. And of course, bakit gano'n na lang po kayo yung commitment ni Camping with the Chef sa pagbibigay ng saya sa ating mga co-campers?
Yes. Because Camping with the Chefs, you will enjoy a weekend full of live cooking, great food, genuine bonding with your fellow campers, as well as outdoor lovers.
Yes.
And you will come as a guest, but live as a family.
Oh, ang cute naman nun.
Alam mo, ang saya talaga sila kasama. Masaya
Correct.
sila
Oo,
kasama.
masaya sila kasama, like sobra. Tanong naman natin si Chef G. Chef G, ano ba ang natutulong ng pagka-camping sa isang tao?
Ano daw?
Oh, well, of course, if you have a love for nature, outdoor experience, talagang, you'll feel calm, very relaxed, chill vibes. So, pumunta kayo sa May 2 and 3, Camping with the Chefs again. So, aantayin namin kayo.
Oo.
Tanongin naman natin si Chef Mark kung ano ang dapat nilang i-expect sa Camping with the Chef.
Ano bang
Ano
bago
bang mga
ngayon?
bago, mga dapat i-expect? Ano bang mga luto yan? Who are the chefs behind the Camping with the Chefs?
So every season ng Camping with the Chefs, star-studded talaga yung lechon from me. So mas pina-exciting natin yung pagluluto or yung ano bang laman ng lechon ngayon sa part 6.
Uy, lechon! Grabe.
Meron laman.
At anong laman ng lechon?
So mag-enjoy, summer feels, lahat nandun pa rin. So yun po guys, ini-invite pa rin namin kayo this coming May 2 and 3.
Alam mo, nakasama kasi namin sila.
Oo.
Silang tatlo, no? And very, very friendly. Family nga paglabas nyo
Correct.
sa camping natin.
Yes, last one na lang po mga chefs. Why don't we invite everybody to visit Mia's up until Sunday?
So guys, sa lahat ng viewers, We are inviting you to come and join the Manila Auto Show from this day, April 9 up to April 12, Sunday. Yun. So guys, dito makikita nyo lahat ng mga bagong cars from EV to pickup and trucks, lahat po. So guys, punta na kayo.
Thank you very much, Chef Mar, Chef G, and Chef Topper.
Thank you,
Maraming
sir.
salamat po. To all our viewers online, wag po kayong aalis dyan because right after this video, we will be right back for more.